In this video, I'm going to show how to create a Geometry Dash account on Android. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? First of all, I will point out that this process works on any version of Geometry Dash. The first thing you need to do is install the app. So you need to come to Play Store and you need to buy the app, okay? You can also install Geometry Dash Lite, okay? In my case, I already have Geometry Dash. Click to play. And it will come to this page right here. Then click on right here in Options, and the first option, Account. You will see three options. You come to the second option, Register. Here you will put your username, your password. You will confirm your password, your email, and verify your email. Confirm your email again. So you need to type on all this and click on Submit. After putting all your data, you come to the email that you put there, okay? And Geometry Dash will send to you an email. Just click on the link to activate your account. After doing that, you come again to the main page, click again on Options, First Option Account, and click on the first option, Login. And here you type your username and the password that you typed there. After doing that, click on Login, and then you created an account on Geometry Dash. I hope I helped you how to create a Geometry Dash account. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive all its footsteps.